everyone, welcome to Wild Technology Association, and this is Peter. And today I'm going to share with you one of my new design. And now please take a look. What kind of thing I do not have in my dorm room? You may notice that I do not have an air conditioner. Yeah, that's true. And now, the temperature in my dorm room is 29.9 degrees. It's pretty hot. Oh, and now it's 30 degrees. Yes, and now it's just May. Okay, it's just May. And how about June and August and later the September? How can I pass that days? So I have an idea. Please take a look. I have two refrigerators here. So yeah, another one is here. So I plan to use the refrigerator and add something on it. Then it can work as an air conditioner. At least can make me feel cool. Oh, you see, too hot. Yeah. And now let's begin. And here is our refrigerator. And my design is open the door and use 3D printer to make a cover at this position. Then stick the fans on the cover. And only one fan cannot work that effective, so I will use much more fan. I have a lot of fans. Yes, yeah, both fans. And the second fan is my hope, my wish, my dream. And then they can make out very huge wind, and the cold air comes out that make me feel comfortable. So now I'm going to use my free 3D to draw a cover for it. So do not waste time. Let's go. So you all believe my words? No, I will not do like that. I'm not that stupid because in that way I have to do a lot of work by my 3D printer, and it must be very expensive, and you know I do not have that much money. So I have another way. One years ago, one of my friends gives me a small, very mini refrigerator, and it can work on your car. And I opened it up. Then I got this. And there is another good news: is this system cannot only make the air cannot only cool can. This system cannot only cooling the air, but can also heat up the air as well. This is a heating part. Yes, pretty cool. But why it looks not that good? Because last year I plan to use these things to create a mini Wilson cloud room, but I failed because of this cooling part cannot cool the air into a very low degree. My design is can use it to cooling the air down to minus 21 degrees, but in the best condition it can only cooling the air to 0 degrees. So my plan failed, but 0 degree is very fit for us. and it can even use 12 volts. So that means if I have a lithium battery, I can use this system outside. For example, sometimes I go to climbing the mountains. I can bring it. Then when others are very tired and very hot, and they freeze like a dog there, then I can take out the small system and say, hey, I'm not that tired. How about you? Yes, yeah, I'm so bad. So let's begin. Let's build it up again, and then create a cover for it by 3D printer. My plan is take off this part, take off the cooling part, then add it on the heating part, and then I will connect this fan to the system, and later I will find a fit battery for it, and it can work. Okay, here we go. Okay, everyone, and now I have just finished the design of the cover of my air conditioner, and this is how it looks like in the 3D printer's software. And yeah, it is just a small box with some holes, and the two big square holes on the top and on the at the end, they are for the fans. And it will print for 1 day, 10 hours and 41 minutes. So let's begin, and we have a long time to wait for.
Years later.
Okay, everyone, welcome back. And now, after 1 night and 1 day's print work, the cover of the air conditioner was completed. But there is a bad news that you can see there are so many plastic noodles there. So that means I forgot to add enough support for the model, and without those tissues, the hot filament will comes down just like the sticky syrup, and then now it looks like plastic noodles. So I will use the hot air gun to clean them up, and I will do some process, and then I will add the cooling part and also the fan inside. Okay, now let's go. And now our table air conditioner's box has been processed, and I think it looks a little better than the beginning. And this garbage cost me half a kilo of PLA filaments. And later I will add the electronic system inside. And here is for the cooling parts and the two holes on the top and at the end for the fans. Okay, let's begin. and today is June the 8th, and today is Tuesday, and now I'm having my class. But yesterday there was a big rain, so today is a little hot. So I will go to test my air conditioner, and let's take a look if this system can have a very good condition. And now the temperature is 25.1 degree. It's degree. Circle C. But I think the real temperature is much higher than 25.2 degree because I felt very sticky on my full body. So let's have a try.
A few moments later.
Okay, everyone. Now 20 minutes passed, and let's take a look the value of the temperature. And now it's 27.3 degree, much higher than the beginning, 26.5 degree. So the temperature is not coming down but moving up. So I think this sensor is not that correct. Maybe only the humidity is correct. But how I know it's really cooling down, because you can see on the cooling part on this metal, you can see the clearly condensate this part, and in this angle you can see them. So I think the problem is on the sensor. Maybe, yes, I bet. So all in all, this air conditioner is really success, and I will use the system to help me pass the summer. Thank you for your patience, and this is Peter. See you next time. Bye bye.